is European female category. This is the race for 2 laps and only 2 hits. Okay. Nasa first position.
Tanaw, tanaw.
44. Nasa top first position. Nagsunod si Kellan. Medyo nagap. Morning tours mga babae. Magpasog hapon. Okay, Mikaela. Mikaela maintaining the distance between her and Kellan. Mikaela is ready to take her first step. And also with her foot up. Na si ikatuloy si Ivy Krisha. Si Mia. Medyo nagyo ang distansya.
Tani. Ara lang ka, diha. Diha lang ka.
Our next race is European male.
Di mo gawas ha. Kellan.
Still in the lead is Mikaela. By Kellan. Mikaela finishes the final checkered flag. The second is Kellan. Good job. Third is Ivy Krisha. That is our first, second, and third. Fourth is Martina. Next is Cynthia, and followed by Nico,